The ocean is rising quicker than in decades past, and predictions made by some research scientists make the situation sound pretty dire.
By the mid part of the century, 2050, 2060, most of the barrier islands in the world are going to have to be evacuated.
And that includes Miami. It's hard to imagine iconic Miami Beach deserted, but it is obvious that rising water is already a common problem here. On a sunny day, a high tide is enough to flood some streets.
We live on limestone. Limestone is like porous sponge. So we really can't use levees to hold back the water.
While the city continues to find ways to deal with the excess water, many experts say there's no way to stop it.
And we saw barricades and sandbags all along Alton because the water just sits there during high tide. Let's put one more foot of water on top of this for just a 1 foot sea level rise from here from Miami Beach. What does that look like? So you're telling me every single street here that's blue is going to have water in it if we get a 1 foot rise in sea level?
Yeah. And the tides, if we get king tides, it'll be a little bit higher than this. But this is essentially showing you the places that are going to be affected first.
The important thing is to keep observing what's happening, to look at all the ranges and projections, and then come back to the policymakers and say, here's the actions you have to take.
The Southeast Florida Climate Change Compact has been created to monitor and help mitigate the harsh consequences of climate change.
They're not sticking their heads in the sand. They know that this is a real problem.